Hi, friends. Good evening. Welcome back. If you recall, a few weeks back, probably few weeks back, I had um, recorded or documented one thing, as I would like to say, regarding what goes around comes around. This was with respect to one of my earlier partner, one of the companies that we had started for the photography, who was then not a part of any workshops or anything, but later on, when he started his own company, he has started doing workshops and all those things. I just mentioned about this in one of the previous journals, but a kind of bizarre or a funny thing happened today because he has been trying to reach me since last few days. I think most specifically since last Friday, I guess. The reason being, he wanted to know if I am interested in investing in his company. Yeah, that's what happened. He wanted to know if I can invest any amount. He's not specific about an amount or anything like that, but he wants to know if I'm interested in investing in return for an equity. I wanted to talk in detail with him, so I couldn't do it during the last several days because, again, the weekend I was traveling, and I also got to know that his mom was not well, and I couldn't speak to him in detail. Like, even in fact, like, he had called me when I was in Mysore on Saturday. But yesterday again, it was a little bit hectic day. So today morning when I finished my walk, I called him up, and fortunately he was also free and he had done his jog, so he was free. So we sat down to discuss about it. Though it was not like an in-depth discussion, I tried to ask few questions from my side. What is his plans? Because again, see, whether I'll invest or not, that's something which I still not thought about. It requires time. It's not like somebody asks me money and I give it. I'm not that rich, and it's not like I have surplus money which I can go and invest in things and all. And moreover, even if I do it, this will be kind of my like first major investment in anything outside of what I do. And this is something like I am putting money on somebody else, so I need to think twice, thrice, or maybe 100 times before doing it. But before doing all those things, I personally want to know what exactly is his plan. Like, even if I put money, what will happen to that money? Where is that money going to, and what will he shape it up to, and all is something which I wanted to understand. So in that way, I asked him what is his plans and all. So he did tell me um, his kind of like a brief plan for next year and how he wants to go the timeline basis, like what he wants to do first, where all he wants to divert that investments to, and all the stuff. Though I'm not sure if I can document everything here about what I spoke to him, but one thing is for sure, one of the ideas that I had discussed with him throughout his startup idea, he'd been regularly in touch with me, and I've been talking to him about positives, negatives, feedbacks, and all those stuff. So in fact, like, I had told him about having one certain feature in his app. I think he runs I think it's pretty obvious for me to say that he runs a startup which is basically to do with an app. So I told him, like, why not introduce a concept of OTT for indie filmmakers or budding filmmakers, so that they can monetize or do something around there. So it seems like he's taking up that suggestion a little bit seriously, and he wants to do something in those lines. And some part of this investment that he's looking at from family and friends, he wants to direct it there. So he explained me all those stuff, the model and what he wants to do and all. So it's kind of like it's ball is on my court now. I need to sit back and think what can be done or what cannot be done, whether I will invest or if I'll not, and if I invest, how much I will do, or if I'll redirect this idea to somebody who I think might be interested in investing, and all those stuff. So I have bought some time, and he also needs to get back to me with some equity related info. He's already shared me the PPT, but yeah, I need some time to think about it. It's not something which will happen overnight or maybe in a few days. So that's something strange and funny that happened today, the discussion, which I'm still yet to digest about it. I need to go through the PPT and think about it because I need a free mind to think about all this stuff. And as I told it, it can't be done, decided overnight and all. and I need to discuss with my wife as well whether what she feels about it. Now, the second part about today's update is regarding one of my team members whom I'm kind of, I would say, like I'm terribly upset with. The whole reason being she's not accessible, she's not, I would say, behaving responsibly, or she's not volunteering to do more work, or for that matter, even updating us on what's happening with the work that she's doing that is assigned to her also. So in that way, we had a meeting today, which had her also in the loop, and along with her, I had her manager and one of kind of, I would say, like an intermediate person whom we interact with on a regular basis when it comes to these resources. This person is not a direct reportee of mine, nor she is part of my own business unit. So kind of, I would say, like an internal contractor, but again, there's a dedicated team who sends us the resources and we utilize them for long-term stuff. So unlike in past, like when I joined, or like almost till 3-4 years back, the type of resources that I've seen around me or who had come from this particular business unit, things have changed drastically. Like we hardly get any quality resources late. Anyway, having said that, I spoke to the person. I told, like her manager rather, and told what is that issue and what is my expectation and why she's not meeting the expectation. And when this lady started talking about her thing, her perspective, I would say, the way she started and the way she continued was really surprising, because she told that the way she projected is like she's doing a lot of hard work. She's in touch with my team members, including my team lead, and also that she told that the reason for her delay, I mean, she was trying to justify that. The reason for her delay was that she was putting all effort from her side to learn something new and do it, and that was taking more time. And that's what she told that was the reason for taking time. And at times she used to get stuck, and she used to spend more time researching on how to do that and all. And I'll tell you frankly, from whatever I have seen, these things what she was stuck, knowingly or unknowingly, we have discussed this in the meetings when she had brought it up, and most of the solutions are like which can have a turnaround time like maybe like half an hour or worst case 1 hour, but she used to take days together and sometimes even like couple of weeks and still no solution. So I was like, when she was talking, I just like went on mute and I was like smiling at myself, like the amount of justification that she gave to tell that what she was doing is right, and everything what she was doing was like she was putting 100% effort and all things. But she did accept that her reporting frequency and updates were like not good, and she would correct it. But the bottom line is the person was not at all authentic. I mean, it would have been good if she had accepted that, yeah, mistake has happened from my side, there is a delay and all those things. If she was really authentic enough, it would have been good. But she trying to cook up story and tell that, okay, she did that, she did this, the delay was because of this, I've done that, I've done this, and all those things. That is not something which I would accept. And that's again, I just left it there. Her manager gave her some kind of like warnings and all the stuff. So it just got stopped at that point. But later on, that other intermediate person, he came back and he told that he will be ending her contract by 31st of December, and he would rather give me a replacement instead of her. And he asked me a job profile as an alternative for this. So let's see if I can get someone by before end of year, or even if it's the beginning of the next year, so that I can start training that person and get someone who can actually work rather than behave like this or do time pass. So that's pretty much the two topics that I want to talk about. And that's how that evening was. I mean, like just went out for a short ride, grabbed a dosa and had one ice cream, and we came back. So now off to dinner, and let's catch up tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow, but I'll be working probably second half. Have some personal work to attend along with that. So we'll finish that, and I'll catch you back tomorrow evening with tomorrow's update. So until then, take care. Have a nice time, and bye bye.